Hello, today another seriously simple dish. This time a salad using chicken and prawns. First of all, I have a bowl that I'm going to place in some lychees, some chicken, which has been cooked and shredded, a few cooked prawns, some sliced spring onions, and avocado. In they go to the bowl. Now, for this dressing, I have some mayonnaise, which I'm going to add some Patak's curry paste to it. As so, stirring this in, and just a squeeze of lemon. Gives me that tangy dressing. In goes the mayonnaise mix, stirring around these ingredients here. Now on the plate, a few baby spinach leaves. And then we're going to place this beautiful mix straight over the top, as so, making sure I get all the lovely pieces of chicken and prawn and avocado and the lychees. And then I'm going to top this off with a few plump mango cheeks. And there you have it, another seriously simple dish with avocado, prawns and